Oh my God, you guys, I think we very well may have just found the best subscription box for your money and or the best bang for your buck. What's up, everybody? Alexandra here, and I hope you guys are having an amazing weekend so far, and I'm very excited that you guys joined me for today's video because this very well may be a super exciting video, depending on what comes in these boxes. So we are trying out and unboxing a new subscription box. Now, when I say new, it's not actually new. Like, it didn't just come out. It's been out for a while, but it is new to this channel. We have never unboxed it before, and I very well may end up kicking myself by the end of this video, depending on what comes in these boxes, because the price point is absolutely amazing at $15 a month, and your first month is only $10. So I am talking about Allure Beauty Box. I know a lot of you guys have been asking me about this box, so I decided to sign up for it last month. I got it for $10. Free shipping, no tax. That was it, $10. And then my second month, December, just showed up today, and this was $15. So it's $10 for your first box, $15 every month after that. So we are going to check out each box, see what is inside. I am really excited because, I mean, $10. Honestly, it really doesn't matter what comes in this box at $10. That's just amazing. No shipping, no nothing. Now, I don't know if this is available outside the United States. I will have to look into that. Obviously, I did pay for these boxes. They were not sent to me. And without further ado, and also this is how the box was shipped to. It did have a clear cellophane around here, or like wrapper kind of thing. I just removed that because I had my shipping label, address and stuff on it. But other than that, this is how it comes right here, folks. All right. So there is a white top there. There's like a little magazine inside here. It says Allure Beauty Box, and it's got pictures of all of the products and stuff, along with description. So I really do like that. And let's begin. And then there's like little paper thingamajiggers here. All right. So the first item here I'm pulling out is a drugstore brand item. It is the Elf Gentle Peeling Exfoliant with purified water, licorice, and papaya. So I have never used this product from Elf before, but I will say Elf has been bringing it this year, you guys, with the Elf Putty Poreless Primer, with some of their jelly cleansers and other things. I have really been surprised by Elf's products, along with their camouflage concealer. So I am actually really excited to try this out, even though it is a drugstore. Again, this box was only $10, so I can't complain. You know what I'm saying? All right, the next product is not a drugstore, and this is by Thomas Roth. It is the Water Drenched Hyaluronic Cloud Cream Hydrating Moisturizer. Now, I will try to look up these products' prices and things. I will say this is definitely a full size, and this is definitely a more deluxe sample size. So I wouldn't say full size. It's more like a travel or, again, like a deluxe sample size. Oh, and of course I just dropped it. You guys know I can't have a video without dropping something. All right, so the next product in here is by Tarte, and this does look like a full-size product. Let's see. I think this is a lipstick. It's the this is a full-size product. So this is a Tarte Rainforest of the Sea lipstick. Very, very, very pretty dark red. You guys know how I feel about getting reds, though. We got a lot of reds this month. So even though this technically came last month because this was November's box, so the color is Miami Vice. And do we have, oh yeah, so this price for this lipstick is $21. So this right here paid for the entire box plus another $11. Then we have this, and then the Thomas Roth, which is on the floor. And then we have Belief. Now this is another really amazing product. So this is the Hungarian Water Essence. Now, I will say I do like Belief's products, But I'm not a big fan of like water essences and water creams and things like that, which I do have a really amazing skincare dupes video coming for you guys. So I'm really excited about that. It is K-beauty products that are dupes for higher end products. I've been testing them out for a couple of weeks now. I'm so excited to share that. So stay tuned for that video. But back to the Believe. I don't know how much I like this product. Now, this is obviously not a full size. Again, it's more of like a deluxe sample size, and it says the full size price for it is $42. So I'm not really sure what the price on that is. Now, this next product, another amazing product. So this is Reiki Illuminating Turmeric Polish. So it's a turmeric facial scrub. Turmeric is really, really amazing for your skin. Just absolutely amazing. I have been looking into some homemade turmeric masks and things, and I actually have a vitamin C turmeric vitamin C cream serum that I will be showing you guys in our K-beauty. So this is an amazing product. I definitely don't think this is a full-size product. No, it's not. It does say for a full size of it is $32. But that's a pretty nice size. Again, the sample size, you'll definitely get quite a few uses out of that. So again, for $10, no complaints here, no complaints. All right, so the next product is by Curology. It's the Clean Sweep Way More Than a Cleanser. It's an entire skincare set for free. It hits up the rest of your routine at Curology.com/allure. So not only do you get these little cleanser thing, but if you want to try out Curology, you can get a month free by using Allure's little thing. I will link that information down below if you guys are interested in checking that out. Now, there is one last product in here now, and this was a free gift item. So again, because this is the first time I've ever signed up for it, you do get a free gift when you sign up. And this is the Laura Geller New York Incredible Waterproof Gel Eyeliner Pencil in Green River. So if you guys can see that right there, it's kind of like a army green kind of color, or yeah, this is kind of like an army green kind of color. It is a gel eyeliner. So that is what that looks like. And it is definitely a color that I don't have. So I am definitely interested to give this a shot. Now, let's get to the big guns here, which is the December box. And you guys, this is actually kind of what made me finally decide to sign up for this box, because the December spoilers looked amazing. All right, so same thing. The box came just like this. I already just unwrapped it. I have not been into this yet. So in here, we have, again, a little pamphlet, and it tells all about the products. I don't want to open it up yet, you know what I'm saying? And then there's also a little card in here, and then it says a fine palette. So I'm guessing there is going to be a palette in here. Remember, this box was my second box, so it was $15. But I have a feeling it's going to have more than $15 worth of products in here. All right, so the first thing in here is a Oscar Blandy Dry Shampoo Invisible Spray. It says it sprays clear, and I am really excited about this because I myself, where I have dark hair, I have a hard time finding a shampoo spray that works well and is actually invisible. A lot of them are white, even ones that people go on about like IGK and things like that. I don't like. They, you know, stain my hair white and gray, and I got enough grays on my hair. I don't need help with that. You know what I'm saying? So hopefully this one actually ends up being really good. So obviously this is definitely a deluxe sample size, or more of even a deluxe travel size. It does say for a full size, it is $25. But I mean, that's a pretty good amount. Let's just compare here just to show you guys. This is a full size of the e.l.f. So it's a pretty good amount. All right, the next product looks like a full-size product, and this is an amazing product, you guys. And I can tell you right now, this is about $30. So yeah, it says it's $28. So I love First Aid Beauty. If you guys have not tried them yet, I highly suggest you do. So this is a product I have not tried yet, but I've been wanting to. It's on my list. It's the Coconut Skin Smoothie Priming Moisturizer, and they have fabulous products. I do one of my favorites, if I can find it, because I use it all the time. Yep, here it is. Is the Ultra Repair Tinted Moisturizer. Also their barrier cream, their makeup remover, just so many amazing products. So yeah, this is definitely a full size and something I'm definitely interested in trying out. And again, it's $28. So more than pays for this entire box. Plus we have the dry shampoo and we still got more products to go. All right, so the next product, again, looks like a full-size product. So this is by Anastasia Beverly Hills, which is who curated this box. And it looks like a lipstick in the color Bohemian. And let's see here what we got. So yeah, it says that this retails for $20. Now, I will say that I do see a lot of Anastasia Beverly Hills inside of TJ Maxx and stuff. So I will say that I do know you can obviously get their lipsticks for a little bit cheaper than $20. But again, to get them in a, you know, $15 box, I'm not complaining. Not complaining at all. It does look very, very, very pretty. And I have never, ever tried an Anastasia Beverly Hills lipstick. So I will definitely be keeping this. Ooh, and it's a pretty color. Here's what's funny. I was really honestly looking for a color like this earlier today to go with this eye look. Could not find it. Found something a little bit lighter than, but could not find it. So I might give this a go here in a second. It feels really, really smooth and just very, very nice. So I don't know why I've never tried an Anastasia Beverly Hills lipstick before. Like, I've had them in my hand. I've almost purchased them. I can't even tell you all how many times, and I can't talk, but I just haven't. I don't know why. All right, so the next thing here we have is also by Anastasia Beverly Hills. It is the Clear Brow Gel. And this is another product that I have really been wanting to try. I've heard a lot of people go on and on and on about. Now, I do not think this is a full size. I could be wrong because I've never purchased this product. It does, I mean, look very nicely packaged. Let's see here. And also they do give you guys a Anastasia Beverly Hills code here to receive a 25% off any single product through January 31st of 2020. So I will link that down below. It is ABHX Allure, but this just looks like, it looks like such a fun product. And I've heard so many amazing things. I heard this stuff like really makes your brows, like you get your brows done, you use some of this and they are set. They are not going nowhere. You know what I'm saying? So I will definitely have to give this a go. And then we have our last product here, which definitely looks to be their palette, and it is their Moonchild palette. This is a glow highlighter palette. This palette has been around, honestly, for a long time now, but it is still an absolutely amazing, drop dead, gorgeous highlighting palette. It is a palette that is duped all the time. I mean, I can't even tell you guys how many dupes I have seen for this palette, but it's gorgeous. It's literally gorgeous. So it does have a little cellophane there. So if you guys are wondering, I don't have my fingers on it. There's like a little cellophane that I'm kind of just holding on there, but it is absolutely gorgeous. I am probably going to put this in a giveaway, however, because I mean, I, again, more than got my money's worth, and I have so many highlighters, and I know one of you guys would definitely enjoy this a lot more than what I'm gonna probably use of it. So let's do a recap on this December box. So we got a full-size palette. We got a full-size First Aid Beauty Coconut Skin Smoothie Priming Moisturizer, which is an amazing product. We have the dry shampoo invisible spray. I'm really excited to give this a go. And then we have the liquid lipstick here, and then the clear brow gel. Now, I think in here they do have some other things that you could have gotten. Okay, so you could have gotten either this or the Briogeo Farewell Frizz Blow Dry Perfection and Heat Protectant Cream, which that is an amazing product. Let's see, were there any other options here? No. Okay, so this, you guys, I'm just saying, for $10 for the first box that I got in November, for $15 for this box, absolutely amazing. I mean, now, I know I've only received 2 months of it so far, but with that, with just what I've seen, I feel like this is really, if you want bang for your buck, even though, yeah, you are getting some travel size, kind of, you know, deluxe sample size products. I mean, these are way bigger and way nicer than anything you're going to get in Sephora, anything you're going to get in Ipsy. I mean, and you're also getting full size products. I got 2 full size products in November's box. I got 2 full size products in December's box. So, I mean, all in all, you guys, I am really, really happy with these boxes. And I definitely recommend by a long shot. And I have to say that these are probably the best boxes for the money. I mean, $10, $15. Yeah, you can't beat that. I don't know anybody that can beat that. Ipsy is not doing this, and you're getting really good, not just name brand products, but some more higher end name brand products, some really good curators here. I mean, you're not going to get this in Ipsy. You're not going to get it in BoxyCharm. So, and not for $10, not for $15. Everybody's raising their prices. So I just absolutely love this box, and I'm definitely going to continue to get it. And I cannot wait to see what they have in store for 2020, you guys. It is right around the corner. All right, so let me know down below, what do you guys think about this box? Have you ever gotten this box before? Are you gonna get it now? Let me know. I will see if I can find a link or something. I don't know if they have like a refer a friend link or something like that. Again, this is the first time I've ever done a video on them, first time I've ever unboxed it. So I will see what I can find, and if I have anything, I will link it down below for you guys. But it is Allure Beauty. You guys, I mean, I feel like I've said enough. You know what I mean? All right. So I love you so very much. And I'm so excited for next week's videos because we've got part 2 of our Jeffree Star subscriber Christmas wish video. And you guys, it is so heartwarming. I cannot wait for you guys to see it. And then we also have our Kate Beauty dupes video. And I know a lot of you guys have been complimenting me on my skin. That is the reason why it has been so amazing. And by the way, if you are wondering what I do have on my lips currently, I do have the Rasha B Cosmetics in the color Slay. And then on my eyes, I do have the Goddess palette by Allure Beauty. So that is all. And I will see you guys next time. I love you. Bye.